Hi friends, welcome to Anand Science Academy. In this video, you are going to watch how to approach assertion reason questions. What is an assertion reason question? It's a question type that has two statements. One is the assertion statement and the other is the reason statement. To answer these questions, read the question carefully to understand the statements. Think of each statement independently, that's more important. First, read the assertion statement carefully and then find out it's true or false. Then figure out whether the reason statement is true or not. Once you feel you have found the correct answer, read the assertion and reason statements once more. And then you can finalize the correct option. Let's discuss this first question. Here, the assertion statement is, decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is an example of exothermic reactions. First, let's see whether this statement is true. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is an example of exothermic reaction. This statement is true. Okay. Now, the reason. Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is evolved. Yes, this statement is also true. When both the statements are true, we have to see whether there is any connection between the two statements, or is the reason statement says something related to the assertion statement. In this question, the reason statement gives an explanation or definition of the exothermic reactions which is mentioned in the assertion statement. So, here the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 2. Assertion. The use of dry wood as a domestic fuel is considered as good. This statement is not true because wood is not an ideal fuel as it produces a lot of smoke and its calorific value is also comparatively less. So, the assertion statement is false. Reason. Dry wood on burning produces a lot of smoke. This is a true statement. In this case, easily we can finalize the answer. Option D is the answer here. A is false, but R is true. Question number 3. Assertion. Alloys are commonly used in electrical heating devices, electrical iron, toasters, etc. This statement is true. Alloys are mixtures of metals. They are used in electrical heating devices. Now, let's see the reason statement. Alloys do not oxidize readily at high temperatures. This reason statement is also true. In this case, both assertion and reason statements are true. This reason says that why alloys are used in electrical heating devices. So, the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 4. Assertion. Weak acids have low electrical conductivity. This statement is true. Reason. Strong acids and weak acids have equal concentration of hydrogen ions in their solutions. This statement is not true because strong acids have more hydrogen ion concentration than weak acids. So it is a false statement. Hence, the answer is option C. A is true, but R is false. Question number 5. Assertion. Bile juice helps in the emulsification of fats. This statement is true. Bile juice helps to break down larger fat globules into smaller ones. Reason: bile juice contains some enzymes. This statement is false because bile juice contains bile salts and bile pigments. There are no enzymes in the bile juice. Hence, the answer is option C. A is true, but R is false. Question number 6. Assertion: if the first member of a homologous series is methanol, its third member will be propanol. This statement is true. Reason: all the members of a homologous series show similar chemical properties. This is also a true statement, but it says a general characteristic of homologous series but does not explain anything about methanol or propanol. Hence, the answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 7. Assertion: silicon is a metalloid. This statement is true. Reason: silicon shows only properties of non-metals. This statement is not true. A metalloid is an element that has properties that are intermediate between those of metals and non-metals. So the reason statement is false. Hence, the answer is option C. A is true, but R is false. Question number 8. Assertion: clones are offspring of an organism formed by asexual reproduction. This statement is true. Reason: clones have exact copies of DNA as their parent. This statement is also true, but it says about the genetic makeup of the offspring but does not explain anything about the asexual reproduction or how the clones are formed, etc. Hence, the answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 9. Assertion: the sex of a child is determined by the mother. This statement is false because the sex of a child is determined by the father. Reason: humans have two types of sex chromosomes, either XX or XY. This reason statement is true because human females have XX chromosomes, human males have XY chromosomes. Hence, the answer is option D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Question number 10. Assertion: a compass needle is placed near current carrying wire. The deflection of the compass needle decreases when the compass needle is displaced away from the wire. This statement is true. Reason: strength of a magnetic field decreases as one moves away from a current carrying conductor. This reason statement is also true, and it gives the explanation why the deflection of the compass needle is more when it is placed near the current conducting wire, and the deflection decreases as the distance between them increases. Hence, the answer here is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Hope this video is useful to you. Meet you again with another video like this. Keep watching and keep preparing for your board exams. All the best.